Picture this. You, on a motorbike, the open road stretches ahead, wind in your face, it's just you and the machine. The feeling is pure freedom, it's exhilarating. If you've ever dreamt of this feeling, then read on. This guide will help you turn that dream into reality. Getting your motorcycle license is a journey. It's about more than just passing tests. It's about gaining skills and confidence. It's about joining a community of passionate riders. And of course, it's about the pure joy of riding. In the UK, there's a clear path to get your full motorcycle license. We'll break down each step. We'll give you the information and advice you need to succeed. Ready to hit the road? Let's go. This guide is your roadmap to becoming a licensed motorcyclist in the UK. We'll cover everything you need to know from the very first step to the open road. So buckle up and let's get started. Before you can even think about riding on the road, you need to complete the Compulsory Basic Training, or CBT. This one-day course is designed to give you the basic skills and knowledge you need to ride a motorcycle safely. Don't worry if you've never even sat on a bike before. The CBT is designed for absolute beginners. You'll start off in a controlled off-road environment, learning the basics like clutch control, braking and balance. Once you've mastered the basics, you'll head out onto the road with your instructor for a minimum of 2 hours of riding. This is your chance to put your new skills into practice in a real-world environment. The CBT is a crucial first step in your motorcycling journey. It's not just about ticking a box, it's about building a solid foundation of skills and safety awareness that will stay with you throughout your riding career. With the CBT under your belt, you're ready to tackle the motorcycle theory test. This two-part test assesses your knowledge of the highway code and your ability to identify hazards on the road. The first part is a multiple-choice exam, where you'll answer questions on traffic rules, road signs, and motorcycle-specific regulations. The second part is a hazard perception test, where you'll watch video clips and identify developing hazards. Studying for the theory test might not sound as exciting as riding a motorcycle, but it's an essential step. Fortunately, there are plenty of resources available to help you prepare, including online practice tests, apps, and books. Remember, knowledge is power. By thoroughly understanding the theory behind safe riding, you'll be better equipped to handle yourself on the road and make informed decisions. Once you've passed your theory test, you're ready to start thinking about your practical riding test and your first motorcycle license, the A1 license. This license allows you to ride a motorcycle up to 125cc and is a great stepping stone for new riders. The A1 practical test consists of 2 modules, Module 1 and Module 2. Module 1 takes place on a closed off-road area and assesses your basic bike control skills such as slow riding, U-turns and emergency stops. Module 2 takes place on the road and tests your ability to ride safely and confidently in real-world traffic conditions. You'll be assessed on your observation, positioning, overtaking and general roadcraft. Passing your A1 test and getting your first motorcycle license is a massive achievement. It's a taste of the freedom and excitement that riding a motorcycle offers, and it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Section 5, Stepping Up, the A2 license. After holding your A1 license for 2 years, you can choose to upgrade to an A2 license. This allows you to ride a more powerful motorcycle with a maximum power output of 35 kilowatts. To obtain your A2 license, you'll need to pass another 2-part practical test, similar in format to the A1 test. However, the A2 test is more demanding, reflecting the increased power and performance of the motorcycles you'll be riding. The A2 license opens up a wider range of motorcycles to choose from, allowing you to experience the thrill of riding a larger, more powerful machine. It's a natural progression for riders who want to take their riding to the next level. Upgrading to an A2 license is a significant step in your motorcycling journey. It demonstrates your commitment to developing your skills and taking on new challenges. Section 6, the ultimate prize, the full A license. The full A license is the holy grail for many motorcyclists. It allows you to ride any motorcycle regardless of engine size or power output, opening up a world of possibilities. To obtain your full A license, you have 2 options. You can either wait until you're 24 years old and take the direct access route, or you can upgrade from an A2 license after 2 years. The direct access route involves passing both the theory and practical tests again, this time on a more powerful motorcycle. Upgrading from an A2 requires passing only the practical test. Achieving your full A license is a significant milestone. It symbolizes the culmination of your hard work, dedication and passion for motorcycling, granting you the freedom to choose any bike that captures your heart. Section 7. Gear up for success, choosing the right equipment. Choosing the right gear is about more than just looking the part. It's about protecting yourself and staying comfortable on the road. Investing in quality gear is an investment in your safety and enjoyment of riding. At a minimum, you'll need a helmet, jacket, gloves, trousers and boots specifically designed for motorcycling. Look for gear with CE certification, which ensures it meets European safety standard. When trying on gear, consider fit, comfort and visibility. Your helmet should fit snugly, your jacket should allow for layering, and your gloves should provide a good grip. Bright colors and reflective materials can help you stay visible to other road users. Remember, you're not just dressing for the ride, you're dressing for the fall. Investing in quality gear is a small price to pay for your safety and well-being on the road. Section 8. Mastering the machine, practice makes perfect. Learning to ride a motorcycle is a continuous process. Even after you've passed your tests and obtained your license, there's always something new to learn and improve upon. The key to becoming a confident and skilled rider is practice. Take every opportunity to ride, whether it's commuting to work, exploring country roads, or simply practicing your skills in a safe, controlled environment. As you gain experience, focus on developing your roadcraft observation and hazard perception skills. Anticipate potential dangers, read the road ahead, and be prepared to react to unexpected situations. Remember, the more you ride, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Embrace the learning curve and enjoy the journey of becoming a skilled and responsible motorcyclist. Section 9. Ride safe, ride smart, essential safety tips. Riding a motorcycle is an inherently risky activity, but by adopting a safe and responsible approach, you can minimize the risks and enjoy countless miles of exhilarating riding. Always wear your full safety gear even for short rides. Obey traffic laws, ride defensively, and be aware of your surroundings. Never ride under the influence of alcohol or drugs, and avoid distractions like mobile phones. Regularly check your motorcycle's tire pressure, lights and overall condition. Maintain a safe following distance and be extra cautious in wet or icy conditions. Remember, safety is not a destination, it's a journey. By making smart choices and prioritizing safety, you can enjoy the thrill of riding while protecting yourself and others on the road. Section 11, Conclusion. The road awaits. Getting your motorcycle license in the UK might seem like a daunting task at first, but with the right attitude and preparation, it's an achievable goal for anyone with a passion for riding. Remember, it's not a race. Take your time, master each step, and never be afraid to ask for help or guidance. The rewards of riding a motorcycle are immeasurable. The freedom, the adrenaline, the camaraderie, and the sheer joy of experiencing the world from two wheels. So what are you waiting for? The open road awaits, and the adventure of a lifetime is just a motorcycle license away. Embrace the challenge, live your dream, and ride safe.